Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if your Android phone is not ringing. The first thing you may want to have a look at is your volume settings. By tapping the volume buttons and usually an arrow or three dots, you may be able to see that your call volume or ring volume is set to be low, which might cause you to not hear your people trying to call you. You can also see that usually under settings, there under sound and vibration, you can look for ring volume, though it may be under another sub-menu like volume on some phones. But if your volume is set to be sufficiently high, it could mean that you are in Do Not Disturb mode. You can try looking into it, either in the quick settings drawer. If you don't see it there, you can try editing it, usually with a pencil button down there or by scrolling to the end and tapping on edit, depends on the phone. You can try turning it off if it is turned on, or looking into its settings by either tapping and holding on it or finding it in settings, usually under, again, sound and vibration. You could have Do Not Disturb right there. You can look into it, check if you maybe have it set on a schedule, see if maybe that's causing the problem with you not hearing people calling you. Or if you want to have it turned on, you can just set it so some of your contacts can go through the Do Not Disturb mode by usually tapping on people or making exceptions in the settings. Depends on depends on what phone you have. Another source of your problems could be having silent mode turned on, which I don't think this phone has, so I'm going to show it on a different one. On this other phone, when using volume, you can see, for example, two little options right there, like silent mode and Do Not Disturb. You may want to turn off silent mode. You can also most likely find it under settings. And in settings, look under sound and vibration, and again, you might have silent mode, as well as, again, Do Not Disturb, and other sound options. Another reason why your phone may not be ringing could be simply because the calls aren't going through to you, which could mean that you simply don't have any signal, which, if you have a SIM card inserted, you might be able to see it in there, a little triangle. If it's full, well, the more full it is, the better your signal is. But if you don't have signal, then it's only normal that your calls do not get to you. If it is empty or has an X over it, then you might have to consider moving to an area that has better coverage, or just getting out of the building if it's causing the signal to be weaker. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.